Hi, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a first hover on the K110 Blast that comes with this remote. I haven't done any tuning. I haven't looked at anything. I don't know anything about it. I'm just going to see if I can get it to hover right out of the box without any modification to the controller or the helicopter, just putting in batteries. So yep, I'm getting throttle. All I'm doing is putting the stick up. Yep. So I don't know what mode it's in. It could be in safe mode, some kind of tail works. Looks like it's getting light. So it flies right out of the box. And it looks like it's pretty locked too. It's a very locked feeler. Well, it must be high rates or something. I'm in ground effects, so. I have like 5 foot space here. It's really small, and I'm trying to get right into ground effects. Wow, so rates are pretty high. There we go. Hover. I put it on low rates. It's one of the left switches, the bottom left switch. Not bad for out of the box and 20 seconds of plugging everything up with the batteries, and that's it. Now this is not idle up. So I'm thinking idle up would be this guy right here. I got dual rates, actually, DER, dual rates, throttle hold, turn it off. So this one, it says, I might have just got better at flying it. I might have to look in there, it says gear. And this one says flap, so that may be not exactly for the helicopter, but I'm thinking that one might be idle up, or this one. I think it might be that one. It's been a while since I've flown a regular helicopter, so I've been getting into quads quite a bit. Anyway, that's all. I wanted to show it to you. If you like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.